Hey, what's up guys? So the most requested battery life test of iPhone XR with different battery capacity in 2022 is finally here. Just like before, I have uploaded the battery test videos of almost every single iPhone with different batteries health. You can find the links of these videos in the description. So this time let's see the real backup of iPhone XR with 85%, 87% and 88% battery health. Without wasting any time, all of them are running on iOS 15.6 and the brightness is set to almost 90%. Also note that all of them are connected to Wi-Fi network. Now first of all, let's try TikTok application for around 2.5 hours and let's see how much battery is it gonna drain.
Searching, always wanted more. Can you hear me? Do you believe me that I'm a lonely soul? Would you love me? I've been searching, always wanted more. Can you hear me?
Okay, so after using TikTok for 2.5 hours, we have almost 60% left on all of them, which means you can easily watch videos on iPhone XR for up to 6 hours from 100 to 0% battery charge. Now let's do some heavy stuff and we are gonna test PUBG game for 1.5 hours and we'll be right back.
Love wasn't meant to be an enemy. Take all my energy. Do you believe me that I'm a lonely soul? Would you love me?
Okay, after testing PUBG for 1.5 hours, we have almost 20% left, I would say. So the iPhone XR drained 40% with 1.5 hours of heavy gaming. Now let's do some use of social apps, which is going to be Instagram for 1 hour. So let's see.
Do you believe me that I'm a lonely soul? Would you love me? I've been searching, always wanted.
And after using Instagram, the phone with 85 and 87% battery health are near to die, but the phone with 88% are still having 3% left. Now I'm gonna test Asphalt 9, which is also a heavy game, and we are close to the end of this test, so stay with us.
Can you hear me?
Welcome back. So it was about the iPhone XR battery life drain test in 2022 with 85, 87 and 88% battery capacities, and as you can see, the phone with 88% health just got 10 minutes extra backup compared to 85% health, which means if you are buying the iPhone XR with around 85% health, you will get approximately 5 hours of backup with heavy usage like using it for PUBG and TikTok. I hope this video would be helpful for those who are thinking to buy the iPhone XR but they were confused about the battery capacities, that which battery health is better. Then I will recommend the battery health should be around 85%, not less than the 80%. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section right below. Also, do like and subscribe. I will really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.